Hi, my name is Doreen Wilson. I'd like to welcome you to Bitclub Network and to the group within Bitclub Network who call ourselves the COINheritors. This video is part of a series to help new members of Bitclub Network to orientate themselves to the back office of their account. If you follow closely, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to take in order to change your password. You would go to www.bitclubnetwork.com and you would log into your account. You then select My Account, and from the drop-down list, you select My Profile. Your personal information panel appears, and if you scroll down, you will come to the password area. You can now go to the Change Password box and enter your new password, and then below it, repeat the same password. And then if you go down to the bottom of the page, at the green arrow number 1, you ask for a new PIN code. Click on the words Email New PIN Code, and then click on the green Submit button. Once the PIN has been sent, you will be notified immediately. Now, if you open up your email program, there should be an email within a short period of time from Bitclub Network entitled Bitclub 2FA PIN. If you don't see it in your inbox, please check in your junk or your spam folder. When you open this email, you will have been sent a code. If you could please copy this code either by writing it down exactly or by using the copy and paste function of your computer. If you use the copy and paste method, please take care not to go beyond the digits of the code. It's important not to go beyond the digits because an empty space will register as a digit and you will get an error message on the code that you're pasting, so please take care. If you could now leave your email program and go back to the Bitclub Network website into your back office, then we'll be able to continue the process of changing your password. Please enter the code into the box and click the Submit button. And there we go. Once you receive this notice, you have successfully changed your password. Next time you log in, you'll be able to use your new password. There's a lot in your back office, a lot of information, a lot of different areas, and it's a good idea to just sit and play with it and go around your back office, go to the different areas, see if you can work things out, and there will be more videos being made to help you with this, but just play with it and become familiar with it. Thank you for watching this video.